Hi everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to be drawing a boat. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be drawing the base of the boat. So to do that, I'm just going to go from here and go in. And go from vertically across and do the same thing on this side. And then from here, I'm going to draw some waves. Just like simple waves. And then I'm going to connect this to this, going all the way across. And then I'm going to create the little pole in the middle, just like this. And the top, I'm just going to cover it with that. And then I'm going to create a flag over here. So to do the flag, first I'm going to do a little curve like that. And then I'm going to go out, and then make a little zigzag line. Like that. And now for the two sails, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to make it bigger. So I'm going to do a little curve. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna draw a little sun up here. I'm just gonna create triangles as the rays. I'm gonna create a little pattern over here so when I color it can be really colorful. Make 3 lines on this side. And now over here, I'm gonna be drawing a little lifeboat right here. The circle. I'm gonna make lines throughout the whole boat, like the base of the boat. Okay, so now we're done with the drawing, so now let's move on to the coloring. So that's it for the video, coloring and drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next week. Thank you for watching.